My name is Eric Previn. I am the county resident from District 3, and some interesting disagreements between the board today. And I wish that Supervisor Antonovich, who took a strong tack against the electorate having to come up with some more water money, felt the same way with respect to parks and recs revenue as derived from our golf courses and other lessees. We have taken note that on June 21 of 2011, Supervisor Antonovich was not as enthusiastic about foregoing $5.6 million in, lost. They had failed to pay their taxes, and he was waiving that for new developers who were eventually, I found out, tied to a Texas mall. And that's revenue that we certainly could have used here in LA County. And it's just, I understand that there's a little bit of partisan politics going on down here, and we can do our best to stay out of that. I just want to comment on Andy Griffith because, I watched that show as a kid, and he was truly, Mayberry was, kind of a model for civic engagement. This was a great sheriff who was completely trusted and trustworthy. On July 6th, we are dealing with another meeting of the Citizens Commission on Jail Violence, and I would encourage the public to come down and hear, because apparently Lee Baca and the undersheriff are going to make a presentation of some kind. And, we've struggled with this stuff, and I know these are also complicated issues, and I would thank the board and the Citizens Commission on Jail Violence for making some of those transcripts available at the CCJV's website. But I'm looking forward to the day when we can kind of right the ship a little bit and get some of this stuff back on track. And I just want to say thank you to Supervisor Ridley Thomas. It is with the utmost respect that I thank him for his contribution today, and thank you.